the Tinkercad now. I am sharing a video. Just keeping it more. Take a breadboard. Right. Then what next we need to take? 7404. This is the exact IC we are going to connect. The second we are going to connect 7408 now. You can search it over here. The next we are going to search 732 and we are going to connect 7432. In this way, this is a very important question normally being asked. Why we connect the ICs in such a way? Because otherwise the horizontal and vertical would be shorted. Is this clear? Other student can also complete in the meantime. Then I will come back to you. I'm sharing a video beta right now. Okay, Romy, I enable for you. Just a minute. Let me show that video. Everybody able to see? Everybody able to see, please? So what next we need to connect now? Done. Okay, Brijesh, wait a minute, beta. Let me other do. What you need to connect now? You have to connect this 7 to the ground. You can check it out. This is a 7 to the ground. Take it black. Similarly, 7408 connected with the ground and 7432 connected with the ground. Is this okay, everybody, please? Is this clear, everybody? Till this ground point. Those are not tinkering, start tinkering, please. Abhishek, did you complete? Aryan? Ayushi, are you doing it, beta? Almost done. Okay, Ayushi. Okay, Abhishek, take your time. In the meantime, let me show the video. Now, what we need to do then red. Connecting with the 14th point with the supply. That is the second step we're taking care of. 14th pin with the supply. And 14 with the supply. This is done from the IC. We activated the IC now. I hope this is clear. Everybody, is this clear? Please communicate to me in progress. Okay, Yushi. Is this clear? Yes, okay. Side by side, start doing it better. Now, what next we need to do now? This is a one particular line, so we need to see this is all ground. Let me take to the ground out on the second point. I just made this video for you only, beta. So this is black now. It is being connected, and keep it remember. This is a very tricky point. Otherwise, sometime you connect in a different way, and this is totally a wrong circuit becomes shorted. So now the positive is being connected. Right. So now red is being connected. Is this clear? Now what next we need to do now? The next we need to do, we're going towards now the input and output pin of different IC. So first you can go over there or you can connect with the power supply. So first search it, now take a power supply. Why I'm taking a power supply, not a battery? Every time you can connect a power supply, otherwise you can control the value of the voltage. Otherwise, in some cases, if you're taking a 5-volt battery, 8-volt battery, then there's a problem. So this is a negative point, take it out and connect it with the ground. Right, and connect the other point, that is your positive point, that is connect with the supply. The C to the 8, connect with the supply, use this variation. Use this variation. Okay, the positive and the red and black lines, black points, so that it would be easy to see the way the fault is. Okay, now what's the other thing we need to do now? Is it okay? Till this point, any query? Till this point, any query, beta? Any query? Till this point? No. Okay, good, beta. So now what we need to do now? We have to take inputs now. So now how we are going to take inputs now? Just see over there. Bring inputs. Okay, search it. You can use Arduino also, but there is no need to go with Arduino. Now see over there, take this switch. You can search for the slider switch. Take this switch over there. Okay, so when you're going to connect the switch over there, just see to it. The first pin, second pin, and third pin. Okay, the second switch you can take and third switch you can take. So now you have to connect a switch. The positive of this terminal would be connected with the supply, and the third terminal would be connected with the ground. Now do one thing. See, you can connect all the pins together, the every switch, or you can connect the different pins together, different switch together. Okay, so we have to see that now this is the case where the pin is connected, so it is a positive pin now, and similarly the negative pin. Okay, so this is the red point, and this is the totally the negative pin ground. So that way you can connect switches. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Yes, yes, yes. Abhishri, I think you completed now. Nomi completed, and I think Abhishri is also completed. Yes, so just see to it. If any kind of problem is coming across, you can check out. So now the switches have been connected now. Just see the input is to be connected. Now how the input would be connected, that is very, very important. Now input and output pins are ready, and you have to check out how the input and output pins would be connected. Just see to it. Just pay attention to it. I will also upload on the yeah. Some student told me, so I will also come to it now. The input would be connected. You can see this input is connected with the input supply. The pin number one. The pin number one. Is this clear? A different color can be there so that you can easily identify. Right? Now the second pin where we are talking about, see this the second input. The second input of the pin number, the pin number second, the input, second input, we taken it out and connected with the first pin of 7408. Is this clear? Please let me know. Is this clear, beta? Everybody? Yes, thank you, beta. Thank you. So now what we need to do now, all the two pins are occupied of 7404. Now the first input pin is also occupied of 7408. Now we need to connect. Now how we can connect now? This is very, very important. How we need to connect. While connecting the third input or third with the third pin, it can be input, it can be output. But while connecting the third pin, we have to understand how it can be connected. Now see to it. We are taking a 7432. Okay, so you can write a note over here. This select line is the input. Okay, so this is how you can easily take an write over this so that should not be confused. So you can write a note over here for the inputs and for the select lines. Right, similarly for the select line, this is the kind of select line we are using over here. Now see over there, this is the first, this is the second, this is being connected with the first of 7408. What else we left with? We are left with 7432 and the second pin of the switch. So when we are talking about the second pin of the switch, it needs to be connected with your second input pin of 7408. Second input pin of 7408. Now all two pins, two switches are being occupied. So you have to take third pin of your 7408 and will become a first input of 7432. Right now 7408 is totally occupied. We cannot go beyond 1 second third. The one pattern is done. Now we have to see 4, 5th and 6th if we need to connect multiple inputs. You remember beta, I am using 7408. That is your which gate, which 7408 representing which gate? 7408 representing which gate? Yes, AND gate. Yes. So, but I am using one AND gate, so multiple input has to be connected. Very right, Omi. Very nice, Ayushi. Very nice, Abhishri. I hope I pronounce the names correctly. So, when we talk about third pin, right? So when I'm talking about the third pin, you can easily check out that we are left with one more input pin that need to be connected, and we will connect with this first pin with our. It can be connected with supply, or it can be connected with the 7408. We prefer to connect with the 7408, and that will be connected with the pin number 4. Is this clear? Okay. Now this is a common point we have to take. Now this common point would be connected with the 7408. The pin number, tell me, pin number 5. Now 740 also occupied. We are only left with the 1 point, it is 6 point of 7408 that need to be connected at 7432, the second pin of 7432. Is this clear? Is this clear, beta? Till this point, any kind of query you have, please ask me. Because we have to verify the truth table also. Clear? Right. So coming to this now, coming to this now, we have to connect now multiple inputs again. So when I'm going to connect multiple inputs now, 7432 is there. So for 7432, we have to think of this is what kind of gate? OR gate. So all the outputs will be connected over here for AND operation. So how we are going to connect now? We can search an LED. LEDs are the output end. Okay, so connect an LED now. So we are connecting an LED. Let me go back a little bit so that it will be more clear. I am connecting an LED over here along with the resistor. You can check out. See, I am going to connect an LED. This LED is being connected. Okay, and you can check out by seeing over there the resistance. Okay, it is connected in the ground itself. Okay. One mistake normally the student do. What is the mistake? They connect one particular point with the resistor to the ground. No need. No need to it. Okay. You can directly connect it over there. Now, see the third pin because it was more complex, beta. Only objective. So third pin of the 7432 need to be connected with the your positive pin of your LED, and physically if you check out the LED, you can see the length which is bigger in length, the pin which is bigger in length is positive, otherwise negative. So now 7432 is also occupied. Okay, is this okay? Negative is grounded and positive pin is connected with the 7432 with the supply. Is this clear? Is this clear? Please reply to me. Is this clear? Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So now you can also reply me if there's some kind of query you're not getting it. So now I start simulation. You can see if I'm giving 000 and 011 or 110 different inputs. Okay. So we have to check out now the simulation. Now you can see I'm keeping over here. Right, and for multiple input, now you can see I'm keeping 010. So multiple inputs, multiple truth table, you can verify. Okay, and see now it is 001 and vice versa. And automatically it all depends where the logic you are taking care of. Okay, so this is how the multiplexer can be designed using data acquisition, and you have to draw all the cases, right? You have to write all the cases into it, and there is no point in discussing. Right? Is this clear, please?